Hi, this is just a quick overview of the Westinghouse side-by-side fridge. This is a 610 liter and the model number is WSE6100SF. So this is the fridge on the outside. So it's got two doors. One side is for the freezer. So this video is quite useful if you want to know where all the shelf goes. So these are the side shelf. So it's got 5 side shelves. So on the side door on the left hand side there are 5 shelves that you can see. Then here's the inside. At the above there is a light fitting. Then there's an ice shelf. Then this is a glass shelf. Another glass shelf. And here's the bin for the freezer. So that's the freezer size. Then we go to the right hand side. So this is where you put all your cold food in. So at the top is a control panel. So there's control panel right there. That's where you can set the temperature, the clock. Then there's a light. Here is a glass shelf, so this is where you put all your chocolates in. Then there's a few compartments. So this one here is a temperature sensor right there. So that's a temperature sensor. So it knows if the fridge gets too cold, it will cool down. So it will increase the temperature. So that's the glass shelf from out here. Then you have a few storage bin down here. And these on the side of the door. So that's the tray. So here you can pull it out, in and out. Here's another tray on the side. And there's another tray on this side here. Then this is where you put all your drinks, cold Coke and milk. Same as down here. This is where you put your cold drink. It's also got a wine rack, as you can see. You can put your wine down here in this rack. So it goes in this way. So you can pull it out and simply just push it in. And that's the Westinghouse fridge. It's a 610 liter. Thanks for watching this video.